Application software. As the name goes, application software in short is called the app. It is a program or group of programs designed by programmers to perform specific types of jobs like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airline or railway reservation system, etc. Computer languages are used to create these types of software. The application software can thus be used to create programs that can be run on a computer system. Computer languages are used to create these types of software. An application software can further be divided into some more categories. Let us look into them. Categories of application software. General purpose application software, which are called packages, special purpose application software, and customized software. We shall look into each in detail. General purpose application software. These software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs of the user. Some general purpose application software are the word processing software, like the Microsoft Word. It helps to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of the text in desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange, or beautify the text and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per your requirement. Some examples of this word processing software are the Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org Writer, etc. Another kind of a general purpose application software is the electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps us to perform calculations and display the data in the form of chart to analyze it in a better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application areas are the financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculations, etc. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. A very common spreadsheet program that we use is the Microsoft Excel. Lotus 123 is a kind of a spreadsheet program that was used in olden days. These programs help to create tabular column informations. PowerPoint is another kind of a general purpose application software wherein we can make our own presentations. It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. This software helps to create and display slides on a computer or a projector for business and educational purposes. It lets you to create slides, charts, animation, and video clips. Some examples of presentation software are the Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. Database management system. Each one of us use database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories, payroll information, mark sheets, etc. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print, and retrieve the information stored in a database. Reports can be generated, which are the presentable form of the information stored in this software. Such kind of database management system is a Microsoft Access, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. General purpose application software not only stores information, we can also draw pictures and do graphics in a computer. Yes, desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, printed forms, advertisements, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. Such kind of software are the Corel Draw, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, etc. Graphics software are also used in a computer, just as Dreamweaver, Photoshop, Paint, AutoCAD, wherein we can create image such as chart, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons, and much more. There are multimedia softwares also available that are used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, and text with a high degree of interactions. Such multimedia software is the Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, games softwares, etc. Yes, we have another kind of application software for special purposes, and we call them special purpose application software. This software is designed to perform only specific tasks related to a particular application or a special application, such as the billing system, the tally, reservation systems, etc. Sometimes programs are made just for a particular purpose and are not being used for other areas. These kind of programs that are made are designed for a particular organization or a user according to the requirements, and it is built to cater the needs of a specific company, not for the mass market. Such kind of software are the customized software. Some examples of customized software are the commercial websites, the business databases, software for a private firm, etc. And so, application softwares, depending on their use, are categorized as customized application software, special application software, and general purpose application software.